209 squared. The technique to square any 3-digit number quickly is pretty similar to the one we used for squaring 2-digit numbers. We split the number into two parts. The first part is the first digit and the second part is whatever that remains. 2 will be the first part and 09 will be the second. So the first step is to square the first part, 2 squared. When we had squared 2-digit numbers, we made slots for 2 digits. While squaring 3-digit numbers, we make 4 slots like this. And we make 2 partitions like this. Now that the first part is over, what do we have in the middle part? In the middle, we multiply 2 with the product of the 2 parts. It will be 2 multiplied by 2 times 9. This is 2 multiplied by the product of the 2 parts. And you can probably guess what we have in the third region. Yes, we have the square of the second part, 09 squared. We are done with the steps. 2 squared is 4. 2 times 2 times 9 is 36 and 9 squared is 81. That's our answer. 209 squared is 43,681. Just remember that in the second and the third region each, only 2 digits are allowed. That was really fast. Square the first part, make 4 slots and 2 partitions, multiply 2 with the product of the 2 parts and then square the second part. In the same way, let's try out one last problem in this session. 425 squared. What was the first step? The first step was to make 2 parts of the number. First part being the first digit and what remains is the second part. On the left, we square the first part, 4 squared. And then we make slots for 4 digits along with 2 partitions. This is the middle region in which 2 digits are allowed. It will have 2 multiplied by the product of the 2 parts. It will be 2 times 4 times 25. And on the extreme right, we square the second part, 25 squared. Once we're ready with this, we start calculating. 4 squared is 16, 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 times 25 is 200. But we are allowed to write only 2 digits in between. So we carry the 2 over and write 00 in the central region. 25 squared is 625. Again, we are allowed to write just 2 digits here. So we carry the 6 over and write 25 here. Now we just have to add the columns. 5, 2, 6 plus 0 is 6, 0, 2 plus 6 is 8 and a 1 here. 425 squared is 180,625. So these were the steps to square any 3-digit numbers. In the next session, we will look at steps to square 4-digit numbers really fast.